W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to draw a slice of pepperoni pizza! Yay! Can you believe that? Pepperoni pizza? Did you know to draw a slice of pepperoni pizza, we only need three things. An arc, a line, and a circle. Can you believe that we only need three things to draw a slice of pepperoni pizza? Let's see how it all fits together. First, we're going to start with an arc, right about here on the page. Then we're going to create another arc about that far below it. And this is going to be the crust. Now we're going to create two lines that are going to come down to a point. So we'll start here, go down to about there. And on the other side, we'll do the same thing and then join it to make a point. Now we just have to add the pepperoni. So we'll take circles and place them around the slice of pizza. Where you put your circles is up to you. You can put as much pepperoni on as you want. Just like that. And when you get to a part of your slice of pizza where you want, maybe there's a slice of pepperoni that got cut when they were cutting the slice of pizza, so you can use an arc to make it look like it's a circle that got cut. And then on this side we'll do the same thing. And up here we'll add one more pepperoni and then we're done. Look at that slice of pepperoni pizza. It's making me kind of hungry, huh? What does your pepperoni pizza slice look like? Are you going to color your pepperoni pizza? What color are you going to make it? Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye!
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.